चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
And viewers, a big breaking news now coming in at the moment in the Delhi liquor scam case. Hearing has begun in Supreme Court on Kejriwal's petition, and a bench of Justice Manoj Mishra and Justice S.V.N. Bhatti is hearing the case. Fiery arguments are underway in the court. Kejriwal has challenged the interim stay imposed by the Delhi High Court on his release in the Supreme Court, and advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi is arguing on behalf of Arvind Kejriwal, and he's telling about the decision of the lower court. Kejriwal's lawyer Singhvi says that stay on bail is unprecedented, and in fact this has never happened before. Meanwhile, Assistant Solicitor General S.V. Raju has said that application is kept for order, and Singhvi has said that contrary to the established norms, the bail granted is different from the bail rejected. Now, viewers, to give us more details, joining us live on the story is my colleague Riyanka, who's outside the Supreme Court of India. Riyanka, very good afternoon to you. Please take us through all the arguments that are underway in the court right now.
Well, the arguments have started in the Supreme Court, and this is regarding Arvind Kejriwal legal team moving the top court in order to somewhere reject the stay that has been put by the High Court in his regular bail, which was granted by the Rouse Avenue Court. Now, let us take you through what the arguments are being currently happening. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who is in fact appearing for Arvind Kejriwal, says that the balance of convenience is completely in my favor. If the bail is reversed, he will certainly go back to jail, as he did after Supreme Court's interim bail. Second point, he is not a flight risk. Constantly we see how Arvind Kejriwal's legal team, especially Abhishek Manu Singhvi, has been arguing that if Arvind Kejriwal be released in regular bail, he is not a threat and he should not be treated as a terrorist. That is what has been the take of Arvind Kejriwal's legal team. Singhvi also says that supposes the High Court dismisses the ED's application, how does the learned judge compensate for the time Kejriwal has lost? Remember, we know that the High Court's order is still pending and it is likely to come in tomorrow. And the Rouse Avenue Court was very...
Getting in a big breaking news at the moment that Supreme Court has refused to hear Kejriwal's plea till Delhi High Court order. That's a big breaking news and a massive setback for Arvind Kejriwal, with the Supreme Court refusing to hear Kejriwal's plea, and court has cited that Kejriwal should wait for the Delhi High Court order. Remember earlier as well, the Delhi High Court had stayed Arvind Kejriwal's bail that was granted by the lower court, said that Kejriwal should not and must not walk out of the Tihar jail until the Delhi High Court hears the order, and the same message and observation has now been made by the top court. Justice Mishra has said that if we pass an order now, we will be prejudging the issue. That's a big breaking news that's coming in at the moment, because the Supreme Court has said that it is not a subordinate court, it is the Delhi High Court. Let me go back to my colleague Riyanka. Riyanka, now a big message and observation being made by the Supreme Court. Massive setback to Arvind Kejriwal. The top court has simply refused to take any action and said that the Delhi High Court order must be awaited.
Absolutely. There once again coming in a setback for Arvind Kejriwal, because the Supreme Court has now rejected the petition of Arvind Kejriwal and said that they will have to wait for the High Court's order. So that is coming in favor of the Enforcement Directorate. We see how Justice Mishra has said that if we pass the order, it will be prejudicing the issue. It is not a subordinate court, it is a High Court. So here the Supreme Court there saying that the High Court's order, which is awaited, is really really important. Till then, Arvind Kejriwal has to be in the Tihar jail, and it has rejected all the arguments of the Kejriwal's side. So for now, we know Arvind Kejriwal will be in Tihar till the High Court gives its order out.
Oh yes, sir. But stay with us on the story, Riyanka. Let's also talk about some of the political reactions that are coming in at the moment. If you are able to get in any word from your sources, or if you were able to speak to any of the big leaders from the Aam Aadmi Party, what are their contentions at the moment?
Kriti, see, as of now, I haven't been able to speak to any Aam Aadmi Party leader, but we have heard them time and again. They are constantly saying one thing, that the ED is working on the behest of the centre. That has been the constant argument of the Aam Aadmi Party. And then they have also said that Kejriwal is being wrongly, put forward as the key conspirator of the liquor policy case, and that he is innocent in the matter. Time and again, we have also seen how the BJP has also lashed out at Aam Aadmi Party for protecting Kejriwal, for saying that he is not a key conspirator, but how the ED has, given the money trail link for 45 crore out of the 100 crore that was received. So war of words in the political sphere is also on in this. We have to wait and see what are the other reactions that come in today, because the Supreme Court now giving rejection to Kejriwal indeed builds a big setback for him.